From global changes to rare cosmic events, find out what astrology has in store for the next 10 years. Prepare to be amazed by the predictions that will shape our future. A new world order. The age of Aquarius is already begun, bringing with it a new world order based on humanitarianism, technology, and social progress. This era challenges traditional structures and encourages unity among nations. Over the next 10 years, we'll witness a shift towards global cooperation, symbolized by the dissolving boundaries and the rise of digital communities. Aquarius values freedom, individuality, and intellectual pursuits. As the New World Order takes shape, expect advancements in science, technology, and alternative energy sources. It's a time for embracing change and fostering global harmony. Number 2. Jupiter's Great Return. In astrology, every planet has a cycle, a period of time it takes to orbit the Sun. Jupiter's cycle is approximately 12 years, and when it returns to its starting point in the sky, it signifies a significant event. Jupiter made its last return in 2014 and returned again this year. These returns occur 4 times a year in each sign, creating cycles of growth and expansion. As Jupiter enters Aries in May 2023, followed by Taurus in October 2023, the world will experience the effects of this celestial shift. Optimism, adventure, and a thirst for knowledge will guide humanity. Jupiter's influence will inspire individuals to take action and pursue their dreams, leading to personal and collective expansion. 3. Uranus in Taurus. The planet Uranus represents sudden change and revolution. Its journey through the zodiac signs brings unexpected shifts in how we think and behave. Uranus entered Taurus in March 2021 and will remain there until April 2026. This transit challenges traditional values and encourages innovation. During this period, Taurus, known for its practicality and stability, will be influenced by Uranus, leading to groundbreaking changes. Expect surprises in areas like finance, nature, and technology. Uranus's influence will push us to question conventional ideas and embrace unconventional solutions. It's a call for originality, unconventionality, and a desire to break free from limitations. This astrological shift will impact industries, relationships, and personal perspectives, driving us towards progress and enlightenment. Number 4. Neptune in Pisces. Neptune, the planet of dreams and illusions, currently resides in Pisces, its home sign. This placement enhances its mystical and psychic abilities. However, Neptune's journey through the zodiac indicates a significant event. Around 2025, Neptune will enter Aquarius, marking a shift in consciousness. This transition will open new possibilities for understanding reality and navigating life. As Neptune moves into Aquarius, it will enhance our intuitive and imaginative powers. We can expect a surge in creativity, spiritual awakening, and a deeper connection to our inner selves. This astrological change will inspire us to explore uncharted territories of the mind and push the boundaries of imagination. 5. Pluto in Aquarius. Pluto, the planet of transformation and rebirth, is on a journey through the zodiac signs, reshaping our world. In March 2023, Pluto entered Aquarius, where it will remain until 2044. This transit signifies a profound shift in power dynamics, challenging existing structures and paving the way for a new world order. Aquarius, an air sign focused on innovation and progress, will be influenced by Pluto's transformative power. This unique combination will bring revolutionary changes to society. Pluto's influence will encourage us to break free from outdated systems, embrace individuality, and prioritize collective well-being. During this journey, humanity will undergo significant evolution, leading to a more enlightened and equitable future. 6. Rare retrograde motion of planets is a fascinating astronomical phenomenon that occurs when they appear to move backward in the sky. Certain retrogrades are rare and hold astrological significance. For example, the last time all 7 visible planets went retrograde was in 2009. Such an occurrence is believed to carry immense astrological weight, suggesting a period of introspection, release, and transformation. Another rare retrograde is the one that happens once every 66 years, when Saturn and Neptune align in a specific configuration. This celestial event carries deep spiritual significance, symbolizing a cycle of renewal and transformation for the planet Earth. These rare retrogrades serve as reminders of the cyclical nature of time and invite us to reflect on our journey towards enlightenment. 7. Cosmic cataclysms. In recent years, we've witnessed an increase in natural disasters and extreme weather events. Astrology suggests that these cosmic cataclysms are part of a greater cycle of renewal and transformation. The Earth is undergoing a process of purification, releasing old patterns and making way for a new reality. While these events can be challenging, they also present an opportunity for growth and change. They serve as wake-up calls, urging humanity to address environmental issues and adopt sustainable practices. By understanding the astrological influences at play, we can better navigate these turbulent times and work towards creating a healthier planet for future generations. Number 8. Eclipses and nodes. Solar and lunar eclipses are astronomical phenomena that occur when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, or when the Earth casts a shadow on the moon. These eclipses have profound astrological significance, marking periods of intense transformation and release. Eclipse seasons typically occur twice a year, affecting different parts of the world. Additionally, the moon's nodes, which represent our karmic path, will shift into a new sign every 18 months. These transits bring opportunities for spiritual growth and highlight areas where we can learn and evolve. By understanding the cycles of eclipses and moon nodes, we can harness their energy to release old patterns and embrace new possibilities in our lives. No non-black moons. A black moon occurs when the moon reaches full illumination twice in a single calendar month. This phenomenon happens approximately every 26 months and carries astrological significance. The black moon phase is a time of heightened energy and emotions, often bringing challenges and disruptions to our routines. However, it also offers an opportunity for self-reflection, releasing what no longer serves us and embracing new possibilities. During the black moon phase, we may experience heightened creativity, intuition, and a stronger connection to our inner selves. It's a reminder to stay present, release negativity, and embrace the transformative power of the lunar cycle. Number 10. Supermoons. A supermoon occurs when the moon reaches its full phase at the same time it is closest to the Earth in its orbit. This creates an illusion of a larger than usual moon in the night sky. Supermoons happen several times a year and have astrological significance. During a supermoon, the moon's gravitational pull is stronger, which can affect tides and even our emotions. Some believe that supermoons can bring increased energy, heightened emotions, and a heightened sense of awareness. It's a time for releasing old patterns, setting intentions, and embracing new possibilities. Whether you choose to harness its energy for manifestation or simply appreciate the celestial beauty, the supermoon serves as a reminder of the powerful connection between the moon and our lives. Conclusion. The next 10 years hold exciting possibilities and challenges as revealed by astrology. From global transformations to rare celestial events, our world is in constant motion. By understanding the astrological cycles and trends shaping our future, we can navigate this journey with greater awareness. Embrace the changes, seek balance, and stay open to new possibilities. Remember that while astrology provides guidance, ultimately we have the power to create our own destiny. Let these astrological insights serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things and the potential for growth and transformation that lies within us. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of astrology and its influence on our future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of the cosmos and the wonders of astrology.